This is the game that I made for the Codeathon. It's called Space Recyclers, and it's by me. So here's the idea for the game. Recycling is a major way we can help keep the Earth clean. I always try to pick up objects outside that I can recycle, as well as different materials at home. I decided to convince people how important recycling is for the environment through a game. The main idea for this game was a person in a 3D environment going around and recycling different materials. I then added a fictional twist to the original idea and gave it a space theme while adding obstacles and platforms to make it challenging and enjoyable. So here's a tutorial scene in the game. This basically explains how you play it and the main plot of it, and you can read it here if you would like. So here's a look of how the game looks in Unity. Here's the audio manager. It has a script to manage all the audio and sound effects. Here is the player. He has a bunch of scripts and rigid bodies and colliders on him. Here are all the scripts, and here is the lighting. Here are all the invisible walls that makes it so the player cannot exit the level. And here's the canvas, which has health bar and other text. And finally, here's the landscape, which has all like the floors, lava, and stairs, trash cans, and basically everything else you can find in the level. Here's a look at some of the scripts that are in the game. This is the collect script, which is attached to the player to collect all the cans. I use the on-trigger enter function to play the sound and collect the game object. Here is the player script, which has the input.getKey function, which lets the player move. It has the jump code here, and finally it has the health bar code here. And finally here I also use the on-trigger enter function, which is used to deposit the cans into a recycling bin, and it has particles and sound that plays and adds 1 to the variable deposited.